Introduction to Logistic Regression. Logistic regression is a popular supervised machine learning algorithm used mainly for classification tasks. It is most commonly applied to binary classification, where there are only two possible outcomes. But linear regression is used to predict continuous numerical values, but it does not work well when the output is categorical. When the target variable represents classes or categories, the task is called a classification problem. The model analyzes the relationship between the input variables and a categorical output variable. Using this probability, the model decides the final class label. Hence, logistic regression always produces a discrete or categorical output, such as 0 or 1 or yes or no. Logistic regression predicts the output can be either yes or no, 0 or 1, true or false, but instead of giving the exact value as 0 and 1, it gives the probabilistic values which lie between 0 and 1. In this image, the x-axis represents the input feature, while the y-axis shows the output values 0 and 1. Instead of a straight line, logistic regression uses an S-shaped sigmoid curve. Logistic regression is closely related to linear regression, but they are used for different purposes. Linear regression is mainly applied to solve regression problems, where the output is a continuous numerical value. Consider an example that company decides salary hikes based on employee performance. By observing the image, each dot on the graph shows the actual data of an employee. The straight red line represents the linear regression model trained on this data. The employee rating is the independent variable, and the salary hike is the dependent variable. Using this model, the company can estimate the salary hike for a future employee by knowing their performance rating. Let us consider an example of employee promotion prediction. In this image, the employee rating is shown on the x-axis, while the probability of getting a promotion is shown on the y-axis. Unlike linear regression, the output here is a value between 0 and 1. The red S-shaped curve represents the logistic regression model. For low ratings, the probability of promotion is very small. As the rating increases, the probability rises sharply and then gradually levels off. This helps in deciding whether an employee will be promoted or not. The sigmoid function is an activation function and it is used to convert any real-valued input into a value between 0 and 1, which makes it ideal for predicting probabilities. Mathematically, the sigmoid function is written as P of z equals 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power minus z. The variable z represents the weighted sum of input features. It is calculated using the form linear combination of inputs and their weights. Here, beta 0 acts as a bias term, while the beta values represent weights assigned to each feature. Because of the exponential term, the sigmoid curve increases smoothly and never goes beyond 0 and 1, making it ideal for binary classification.